People are so rude from Mass, it's not even funny. Yes, I'm in Mass right now.
You're from Mass.
I'm from Mass. I'm what they call a mass hole.
Yeah, you are.
I got a hole in my ass.
That one.
It's this one, right? The men's room? Oh, I'm getting tired. Been a long one today.
Still got one more after this.
How's that position? You like that position? Alright. The call was that the toilet just keeps flushing. A little bit of plumbing today. Guys been begging for plumbing. I don't know if I consider this plumbing, but alright, the valve was off. Let's give it a shot. Shut up, but we're gonna change it anyways. Almost looks like they might have flushed a fire hydrant out in the street. That's what usually breaks these things. I probably changed this 15 years ago. Double check. Logo. You want to use a smooth jaw pipe wrench or water pump pliers. Customer just gave us these ones. I need to buy a new rigid one. Always want to put your hand on the angle stop to put some back pressure. Ask me how I know. Just loosen that one and then take the vacuum breaking nut off. This one isn't gonna work. She's not big enough, Mama.
Is the vacuum brake? Oh, because you're changing this part in here too.
I'm changing the diaphragm in here and changing the vacuum brake. Which I don't think this is gonna be big enough.
Well, it's only about these.
Gotta buy that rigid one.
We used that one before on these, so that's why.
All right, time to do it old school.
When in doubt, always use channel locks.
These are not channel locks, they're called water pump pliers. Channel locks are a brand.
It's like people call us road over there.
Yep, definitely feels like I put this in 15 years ago. Right, just get that one started. Then take the diaphragm off. Well, keep on knocking, but you can't come in. Ba-na-na-na. You know what? I don't have time for this. It's not gonna come off. Yeah, give me a pipe wrench.
He's a dud.
He is
He's healthy. He's kept healthy.
You're welcome.
They're getting on.
That's walking. That's walking.
Okay, this is the other one the customer gave us.
Come on.
Feel how heavy this thing is.
I think our customers are trying to tell us something. You're using tools that you've had for 29 years.
Well, that one a homeowner gave us.
Which one?
This one. It was actually a realtor. She was selling a house and it had a bunch of old tools downstairs in the basement.
Back up here. Pay attention. This is brutal.
Why did I just stay using this one?
Because I'm trying not to mar it up as much as I can.
This one's a nice one though.
There's one other thing we gotta check. If you ever have one of these caps that are dripping, I found that these black covers have a slight crack in them. Okay. We'll have my assistant clean this cover. She can look for cracks because I just turned 51 in a couple of weeks.
He can't see shit.
Nope. Oops.
Really?
Good thing I got gloves on. They're washable gloves. Alright, let's do the vacuum.
They're the gloves your mama gave you. No cracks. That didn't fit on me.
I have one of those Sloan wrenches somewhere. to buy a set of channel locks. Why is it always the tools that you have that you don't like this one? I prefer the channel lock brand. Had it forever now. You can't lose it.
You need to get a smaller Vito bag.
Yeah, well, Santa just came. Why didn't he bring me one?
Because he brought you a big one.
That was last year.
Okay.
Here, hold this.
Here, make a mess of it.
It's only water. Water. Ooh. Come on, really? This is probably what the problem was. Look at the bottom of that. That ain't vacuuming nothing. This is probably what the problem was, but when we rebuild them, we replace both of them. See how much more tighter that is? There's no gap. I replace them faucets about every 10 years. Alright, you gotta make sure that that's under the lip on the inside. Stick that back in the hole. Gotta make sure you use this gasket too. Hopefully this gasket doesn't leak. But if you're ever in a pinch and you don't have one of these O-rings, put Teflon tape under it, put the O-ring on, then put Teflon tape over it.
Just a minute.
Keep on knocking, but you can't come in. Ba-na-na-na.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. We're just trying
Yes,
to fix
you are.
it.
I know. Well, not the door, some people are busy, but nobody else was here. Oh my God, I made a mistake. Sorry, no.
No, it's okay. We're just fixing it. We'll be done in a minute.
Okay, I'm gonna buy a couple for a while.
People are so rude from Mass. It's not even funny. Yes, I'm in Mass right now.
You're from this.
I'm from Mass. I'm what they call a mass hole.
Yeah, you are.
I got a hole in my ass. Tighten the vacuum breaker up first. Click. Oh, that was my torque wrench right here. It makes clicks. Because I hit 50, it clicks now.
Do plumbing parts have torque specs?
Of course they do. Everything has torque specs.
Your jeans don't have a torque spec.
They do when they're too tight.
Not really. People just ask you what kind of paint you use.
I'm gonna be throwing this wrench out the window. To get my new rigid.
Customer was nice enough to give us that one.
No, give it to Samantha.
Make her own toolbox. With her little dinky Milwaukee tape measure, her little tiny baby hammer. Some screwdrivers.
Remember, hold the angle valve. Don't ask me why I know that.
Okay, we won't.
Alright. Never forget the cap. Done that more than a dozen times. Probably should have brought some waterproof grease in to put on there, but I'm more likely than not the next one that's going to rebuild this one anyways.
What are you gonna want? Just use the channel locks on it?
Just use the channel locks. They're not channel locks, they're water pump pliers.
Whatever. Right now they're Sloan valve pliers.
Nope, they're water pump pliers.
But you're not working on a water pump. Ding!
They're still called water pump pliers. Alright. Let's see if it worked. Did I tighten everything?
Yes.
Should I watch the video to make sure I tightened everything? Never throttle down. These valves are meant to be wide open. If it's not working correctly because of the water pressure or how much it's using, don't throttle these down. Get the right cartridge. Some soap in here. They got soap in here, or they being cheap. Holy cow. What gas station do you know that actually has soap in it?
This one. They always have soap here. They're good.
Yep, that's right. You've seen me do that.
Alright, now you can wash your hands while I wipe up the rest of it.
Alright, now for the final test. Stick around. She works. Another one done. See you guys on the next one.